Sofia and Diana, and we are going to talk about meiosis and mitosis.
Mitosis is a process that occurs when a chromatic cell is duplicated by an asexual way. All organisms generate the two daughter cells. In this process, it occurs the steps whom are the prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase.
And the meiosis is a process where is the basic sexual reproduction for mammals. It takes place on the sexual glands for the formation of gametes, called sperm, and eggs develop from the immature reproduction. The steps are the same phases, but this time we're going to repeat it, and then we're going to have 4 new cells.
Thank you for watching, and this is our homework, Miss Nancy, and we hope you enjoy it. Thank you.
Bye.